Protecting my peace for so long, a little too good, now I'm solo. Watching reruns of the same shows. Almost every party I'm a no-show. Even with green lights I don't go. Never been sure, no I don't know. How does everybody else let go of the ego? I will never smile for you, smile for you, smile for you, smile for you. I will never cry for you, cry for you, cry for you, cry for you.
Hey guys, it's your girl Anne. Welcome back to Glam Designs by Anne. Hope everyone is doing well. If you are new, welcome. To my returning family members, welcome back to another video. Thank you all for tuning in today. Guys, I want to refresh my coffee table for spring, and I was running a few errands and I stepped into Winners and I got this beautiful candelabra piece. I love it. It's very modern and sleek, goes nice with my black and white aesthetics. I also got this beautiful white chain link from Amazon for about $20 something. It comes in a few different colors or shades. I will link it in my description box down below. I love how big the beads are, and these are on trend right now. I don't really follow trend, but I do love a lot of beads and chain link decor. I have a few of them in my home. So I like these ones because they're a lot bigger than some other ones that I have. They're big and fat, and I've been actually seeing a lot of these in Winners. Some really long ones, but the beads are way bigger than these ones, and I thought they were really cute. So I'm just gonna refresh my coffee table. I'm gonna shop my home and move some vessels or vase around and just recreate a fresh and new coffee table styling with you guys. Hopefully I give you some inspiration for spring decorating. The weather is horrible here. It's been raining like crazy all day since I think yesterday. We've had snow. Guys, before I change and refresh the coffee table, I just wanted to give you a look at how the living room looks. I haven't changed out any of my pillow covers or anything like that. That's going to remain the same because it's so gloomy. The weather's crappy. We've been getting snow, lots of rain and all that kind of stuff, and we just started April and we're still getting like winter weather. So I'm keeping, the pop of color for the spring and all of the other pillow covers just to bring in some airy and lightness into the space because, like I said, it's gloomy. But I did go ahead and remove the previous look that I shared in my clean and decorate for spring in here. But I will insert a clip of what it looked like so you guys can get a before look. For this budget-friendly refresh for the coffee table, guys, just to give the living room a different look and switch things up, I've shopped my home. I have these two beautiful vases. Got them both from Winners. I may paint this one white and use it on the coffee table, or keep it black and put it back on the end table. But I think I'm actually going to paint it white because I have so much black vases and I don't want to purchase any new vases at the moment. I haven't really seen anything I like, so I'm gonna paint this white because it's paint. You can always repaint it black or whatever color of your choice. And then I may use this on the coffee table instead because I need variation in height when decorating your surfaces. I have this beautiful bowl from Winners. I have some candles that I may use in this new handcrafted piece, which is so sleek and modern that you can style it on its own, or you can, use it for the purpose that it was made for candles. And then I have some eucalyptus stems. I have my beaded chain link from Amazon I already shared. I have some coffee table books from Amazon. Both the Chanel books are the same. I just removed the cover off the top one because my youngest grandson decided to rip it. And then I have elements of style. I have a DIY bowl. So this would probably be the color paint, chalk paint, that I would paint this in. It's kind of like an off-white. And then I have some green moss balls that I got a while back from Amazon. So these are the items, guys. Inexpensive, budget-friendly coffee table refresh for spring. Just to give my living room a different look because I do get tired from looking at the same decor in the same place. So I like switching things up. So guys, I don't have a brush. So I'm going to use gloves and I'm going to use my hand and I'm going to paint the vase in this cottage white color. This is by Folk Art Home Decor. It is chalk paint and you can get it on Amazon. The one that I used previously for my other DIYs, I think that color is sheepskin. So this is the sheepskin and this is the cottage white. This one is a little bit more creamier, like off-white, and this one is more of a white. Exactly what I need. And I'm going to mix it in this glass bowl. I'm going to end up just using this glass bowl because I can't find any of my art supplies. I usually have like a plate with different sections that you can get in the dollar store. I actually got that from Dollarama, that you can put paint of different color paints inside of it and do your projects. This doesn't have a cover, so I'm just going to add some baking soda to it. This is Arm & Hammer baking soda. And I'll build up my desired texture as I go. I'm just gonna add a little bit for now. And then I'm going to add my chalk paint. Guys, if you guys can see my nails, I need a manicure. I've been so busy, I haven't had any time to do any self-care on my nails and toes.
Lorito, dime si te acuerdas cuando estaba aquí. Purple flowers, escuchando a Dakiti. Siempre en mi mente cuando piense en ti, hablándome en otro idioma, sí, baby. 사랑한다고 말해줘, 사랑한다고 말해줘. dímelo lento, baby, más lento. 사랑한다고 말해줘, 사랑한다고 말해줘. Give me up when I give me I'm a sweet switcher처럼 나잖아. We can take it slow. Banging on the despacito club 안에서 처음 봐서 baby 혼자 있어 yeah. 시간 있어 여기 나가 술 좀 마시자. 밖에 놀다 라면 먹자 아직 집에 가지마. You could tell me anything 요즘 너무 생각해 broken 너무 뭔가 봐.
So guys, I wanted to quickly share with you how it turned out. I applied 2 coats and I moved my fingers around while applying it in different directions. So it sort of gave it a really nice texture and a nice finish. I love how it turned out. So I can't wait to style it on the coffee table. I'm going to play around with the decor that I'll be using until I get the desired look that I'm going for. So some coffee table books, and I'm going to try out some different greenery or some cherry blossoms that I got like 2 years ago from Amazon. It goes really nicely with the black and white pillow covers along with the accent pillow that I used. I actually have 2 of those pillow covers, but I only decided to use 1 because I didn't want a lot of color. You guys know I don't really like a lot of color. The cottage white chalk paint, guys, really does give a high-end look. Looks like I purchased it at Crate and Barrel, so I just love how it turned out. So guys, I love the two of these together with some greenery and two cherry blossom branches. They come in a set of 3 that I got from Amazon. I love this look. I removed the luxury faux decorative boxes that I got from Temu. I feel like the bold print of the letters in it is a little overpowering here. I'm actually going to add it on my bookshelf on the top part there instead, and allow that area to pop with the bold letters from the decorative box. But this is the look. I love this. So I'm gonna play around and see if I like it with the 2 mixtures, or if I like the cherry blossoms alone, or if I like this. In the first clip, you guys saw me add this. It looks really, really pretty with this alone. Sometimes less is more. So with the cherry blossoms, and these are just 2 branches that I have in there. It looks really pretty. The green leaves match nicely with the color palette in the sectional, like I said. So maybe I'll use this look. We'll see.